Hi, I'm Oscar and I'm a recipe developer at HelloFresh, and today we're going to be cooking a chicken curry with Ballymaloe Relish to celebrate the launch of our local favourites menu. So I've washed our rice and our oven is preheating to 220. Bit of salt, and we're going to pour in our rice and bring that to the boil. Filling, we're going to reduce it to a low heat and cook for 10 minutes. Then after that, we're going to take it off the heat and cook for another 10 minutes in its own steam. Prep all of our veg, starting with the broccoli, which we're going to trim into small florets. Our green beans, top and tail them, and then we're going to cut them into thirds. Peel and chop our onion, our garlic. In our chicken, we are going to roast the broccoli, so we're going to give that a bit of a drizzle of oil, season with salt and pepper. And then we're going to stick it in the oven, which has been preheating to 220. We're going to put it in for 10 to 15 minutes until it gets a light char. Pan is hot. We're going to stick in our chicken, and then we're going to stick in our onion to follow. Salt and pepper. Keep on stirring our chicken and onion for about 4 or 5 minutes. Next up, we're going to add our green beans, our garlic, and our North Indian spice. Korma paste, chicken stock, followed by our coconut milk. And then we're going to stick the lid on and let it simmer for 7 to 9 minutes. So we're going to plate up starting with our rice. I'm going to get a nice big portion of this. To finish our dish, our star ingredient, a spoon of Ballymaloe Relish.